This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 6091. It is a new ReMAN ambulance by R Enterprises. It has less than 100 miles on it. The chassis is a 2024 GMC K3500, so it's got 4-wheel drive as original equipment from the factory. It's got an 84-inch cab to axle, and a lot of these units are built without liquid ride, but this one has liquid ride with all the performance that comes with that, and then the kneeling feature as well to facilitate ergonomic and safe loading. As I mentioned, it is 4-wheel drive, 6.6 liter Duramax diesel power, and an Allison transmission. Overall length is 24 feet. Overall height is 106.5 inch, and the headroom is 68. So if you're going to buy Type 1, this thing is really maneuverable. The length is not bad, and it handles really well. It is an AEV module. It has new Whelen Siren and speakers, new Whelen LEDs, new Vanner inverter and charger, and a new HVAC system, including all hoses and fittings. The body configuration is left front. Oxygen, also have some other storage there. 20 amp shoreline inlet with charge indicator. Left rear backboards. It's got new rub rail, Fenderette, and diamond plate package, and an all new aluminum frame and new diamond plate bumper. Also has a flip up. There's the left side action area with forward and aft work surfaces, storage behind and above. Power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. Pass-through configuration. It has a new console, new switch panel, all new switches. Has right front inside outside access to the ALS, and it also has central air. 4-point harnesses on the squad bench, glove storage in the back, also waist and sharps. All of the interior lighting is LED. Has a storage compartment at the right rear. Shelf could be added if that was desired. Right front inside outside ALS compartment. Also additional storage underneath. This is a great little Type 1 for $245,500. That represents a $50,000 to $100,000 savings over OEM. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 6091, it's available immediately. Please call 1-833-REMOUNT or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com.